Laminate floor installation, where and why to use. Laminate floor installation is very popular. This material is available at a fair price, is easy to install, lasts for a long time, is easy to maintain and looks great. But there are times when the laminate is simply irreplaceable, not only because of its low cost, but other positive qualities. When you decide to upgrade your flooring and your money is limited, of course, you make choices in favor of the laminate. This material appeared not so long ago on the market, but has already established itself at its best. Year after year, producers are trying to improve this material's quality but also the look. For example, today you can find laminate flooring in stores, which at first glance is difficult to distinguish from hardwood, but the price for 1 square foot is impressive.
For more information on laminate floor installation, visit www.hardwoodfloorinstallation101.com.